welcome back to Little Maple English. Today, we're going to continue on and learn about personal pronouns, but this time it'll be my versus mine. So my and mine actually represents the possession of something. So learners are confused about when to use my or mine. So my and mine shows someone's ownership. It was just like our previous lesson on possessive noun. Very similar, but this time it's a possessive pronoun. So let's take a look at the example. This is my purse. So when you use my, it means that the purse belongs to me. So think of my as sort of used as an apostrophe S. So my represents the possession. But you cannot use my on its own. You should use with a noun or nouns. So noun is very, very important when we're learning about pronouns. Let's take a look at the example. So my phone is new. So here you can see the phone is mine. This is my house. So whose house is it? It's my house. I like my teacher. Whose teacher? My teacher. Mine. So what is mine? So mine is used alone. It replaces my plus noun. So within mine, my and noun is all included in one vocabulary, mine. So mine equals to my plus noun. So let's have a look at the example. This phone is mine. It means that the phone is my phone. The red bag is mine. It means that the bag is my bag. That seat is mine. The seat is my seat. Let's compare. This is my book. So you can say, this book is mine. It means the same but worded in a different way. That is my car. That car is mine. Do you see the difference? But they mean the same thing. So let's take a look at the summary. My is always used with a noun. Mine is talking about my and noun. My plus noun. Both show ownership. For example, my idea is good. The idea is mine. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next class. Bye-bye.